As a trader, nothing is worse than to trade in a sideways market where your spread is so small that it's basically impossible to make in a safe way money on the side. I have found a website that lets you profit off specifically sideways markets when it's really hard to trade and earn directly in Bitcoin. Don't miss out on that, and let's go. Hi, welcome back guys. So the website that I found that will let you earn in a really specific way in a sideways market is called Glimpse Trading. Glimpse Trading allows you to predict the future price of Bitcoin, and when you're correct, the same like on Polymarket, you will get paid. And they're not paying USDT, USDC or Ethereum. They're purely paying for now in Bitcoin, which is really, really nice. They have not only the prediction market, but also a forecast heat map where you again can make forecasts by choosing a certain cluster, certain time window, and then get paid for that also in Bitcoin. So when we're looking at on the website, you can see it directly says here, predict the future and earn in Bitcoin. When we go here a little bit lower, you can see here how the mechanics are working. You can hedge against underperformance and also see what the market believes where we are actually heading to. And something else that I want to point out here, that this is a fully regulated company by the Bermuda Monetary Authority, and their custodian for their hot and also their cold wallets is BitGo. So if you know a little bit about BitGo, this is actually a major custodian in the space. I have already created an account. So if you want to create an account here, you have to go through the KYC process, scan your face and stuff like that, make a selfie and have like an address proof, like with many other platforms out there nowadays that are basically, not allowing you to access them without KYC. But the process is really simple and straightforward, takes only 2 minutes, and then you are done with it. So I have already logged in here into my account, and I'm here right now on the prediction market. So now let me explain you how this exactly works. As you can see here, I have here a bar that tells me the percentage, and that's the probability of where price might be in the upcoming hours. So here I have right now here for today 9 a.m. UTC. And that is here just 2 minutes away. So that makes not a lot of sense anymore to basically predict on that. But let's say I want to predict here on like 3 p.m. where the price will be. What I only have to do is, after of course we have deposited some money here on the platform, just drag the range where you believe Bitcoin will be at 3 p.m. today. So if I think Bitcoin will be between $65,000 and $63,000, then this is my range. And here on the side, you can see it, my prediction range, 63,000 to 65,000. There's a 30% chance that Bitcoin is between 63,000 and 65,000. And the current market believes there's a 30% chance for this. Then I choose how much I want to play with. Let's say I want to choose here 10 Satoshi. It tells me, okay, I'm gonna pay 546 Satoshi for that, 35 cents. I get potentially 1,000 Satoshis, so my profit will be 454 Satoshis. My odds are, the odds multiplier is like 1.83, and the ROI would be 83%. So now I can of course increase this, can say I want, for example here, 3 contracts or even 50. So it really depends on how much you want, so I'm gonna stick here, let's say I'm gonna stick here with 5. Yeah, so with 5, I will get 288 Satoshis, a multiplier of 2.36x, and ROI of 135.6%. The only thing that I have to do is, once I have deposited here money on that platform is, and now you see here for that, my chances are 54%. They went up because I changed the size of it. So I just need to click here, buy contracts, and now it has already bought them. And then here under portfolio, I can go and actually see them. So you see currently my peer P&L is minus 37 Satoshi, but we're also 6 hours away from that trading window. It is live, as you can see over here, and price is currently here at the white bar in the overall price range. The only thing that I need to do is wait 6 hours and then hope that I'm correct here, that the price will stay here in that specific range. Now imagine you would be trading here in a sideways market. Oh, let me go back here to prediction, where price is just going here up and down, let's say between, what is this, 64,300 and $63,700, and it's not moving over a couple of hours. So I could go now and say, okay, in the next hour, I believe the price will still stall in that price range and just go sideways. So I don't need to try to use 100x leverage now on like a proper exchange platform to try to make a little bit of money here, because the range is so small, it's like 0.5% or even less than that. But I can go here and just predict, okay, price will stay between that small spread of 0.5%. So, and I kind of see from my technical analyzation on the charts that the price will stay there over the next 2-3 hours. So I have kind of like a safe bet when I go into the prediction market and place my prediction exactly on that price range. Now, when we are going here to the forecasting heat map, I'm going to show you how this works too. So here you see the darker areas are areas where price is most likely not going to go, at least here in the upcoming hours. And the lighter ones is the areas where price is more likely to go. So, and here I can choose multiple clusters if I want, depending on the price. Let's say I think here also 64,000. Let's say I think here 63,200 to $65,000 is the range where price will be here over the next coming hours. The more clusters I pick here, the smaller will be my profit. The more precise I am here, the higher will be my profit. So I'm just going to show it to you here. The arrow I would be for that one specific cluster here at $64,400 to $64,600 at 10 a.m. UTC, like in 1 hour from now, would be 332%, almost 333%. But if I'm saying, okay, between 10 and now 6 p.m., so 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., price will be between $63,200 and $65,000. Then you see here, it diminishes by 6-fold to 50%. So if I go here to 10 contracts, let's say I want 10 contracts for this, it would be threefold less. So, and I would be getting 125.4%. It will cost me roughly 3,100 satoshis. I will get $7,000 paid out, 7,000 satoshis paid out. So the overall profit will be 3,894 satoshis if I'm correct here. So also here again, if I want to do this, I just click here on buy. And now it has executed this here on the forecasting heat map. I go back to my portfolio and can here already see what's happening. So you see here my P&L is already 434 BTC on the prediction, on my prediction markets. And therefore I just need to wait, you know. So here I only need to wait now to see what's happening. I have here every single position that we have taken, and then you can lean back and see how this is unfolding. When we go back to the prediction market, what I want to mention here is that the team wants to add way more assets. Right now it's only Bitcoin, but I am in touch with them and I know that they're gonna soon add way more than just Bitcoin. So, but the platform is really user friendly, really easy to use, and I don't think that it's that hard to understand how to use it. Like I said, you choose here the range, the price range here based on these probability bars and the time frame that you want to trade on. Again, let's say 6 p.m. today, and we want to see, Oh, let me get rid of this. Let's say price will remain between 64,800 and 63,800 roughly. Yeah, 600 is also fine. So we're gonna say 10 contracts. Here the ROI 281.8%. If I choose here more or less the exact range where price is currently trading in. Again, I like this platform really much when we're in a sideways market, because it's really hard to trade in a sideways market, and from the usual trading perspective, you're better off to sit on your hands than to actually take a position on like a usual exchange. But here in the sideways market is allowing you actually to get paid, and that's why I like this platform so much. Again, if you want to use that platform, it's really simple. I leave a link here in the description below. Go and check it out, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.